Hi. So we are here now and we are going to talk about Gemini Notebook today. And this topic, I want to really discuss about it from a long period of time because I feel there are a lot of students who might be needing it. There are a lot of teachers who might be interested, and there are a lot of working professionals who really need to learn this. And I mean, by learning this, you can learn everything in a smart manner through this, which is called It's written Gemini Notebook, which is also called Notebook LM. And we're going to explore the whole Notebook LM today. And from starting, let's get into what are the things which are there in the website. Understand anything your research and thinking partner grounded in the information you trust, built with the latest Gemini models. And what are the exact things which we will be getting from here? Your AI powered research partner. Upload your sources, upload PDF, website, YouTube videos, audio files, Google Doc, Google Slide, and more. And Gemini Notebook will summarize them and make interesting connection between topic, all powered by latest version of Gemini multimodal understanding capabilities. So that's how you can upload your sources and let the Gemini do the all work for you. And then comes the instant insight. With all your sources in place, Gemini Notebook get to work and become a personalized AI expert in the information that matter most to you. Hmm. Sounds good to me. Then we can see the source, not just the answers. Okay, that's a big thing. Just saying it sarcastically. Yeah, that's a feature you get everywhere right now in the internet. So yeah, listen and learn on the go. So you can make podcast out of it. I'm not saying this sarcastically. So let me give you an example. I had a ebook and I don't want to listen or read to it at that point of time because it's like lot of data, like 5 hour of whole ebook. So what I did exactly, I asked it to summarize it and make a podcast out of it. And when it make the podcast, so every book have its own learning, right? But yeah, it's not the same way how you read the book. It comes out to you differently, but if you have very short time to learn something, so this is a thing to go with. And it is showing that how people use it, power study, organize your thinking, spark new ideas, what people are saying, and there are a lot more. Okay, let's see, and let's try clicking on try Gemini Notebook, and let's see where it takes us. It's shown me loading a notebook, and now we are here at this beautiful page, which looks a bit different. So let me put my mic somewhere better so we can proceed with the video. And yeah, that's all. Hope you all are enjoying it till now. I'm not sure. I'm trying to make it raw. I don't want to come up with a lot of stuff by editing, cutting a lot of scenarios. Hmm. Okay, first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click new and we get to add the sources. We can add over here and we can type any of the sources. It could be from Google Drive. Let's say Google Drive. Currently, I think it's better to go with web. We wrote human intelligence and we are here now. We're going to copy this link over here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go here and paste it. Once I pasted this website, it will summarize me the whole website and put it into this. Then I can ask a lot of questions. So what happens once we go to a particular page? We see a lot of information and we step back to read the whole information out of that. But what if it gives us a summary? And so we are here and we will look for something which would be somewhere very secretively hidden. So it says motivational intelligence, and I will go for research suggest a better relationship between motivational intelligence. I will just copy this part and we'll put over here. See, I'm doing this because I just wanted to show you how you can extract data, how you can learn from a large external source where there are a lot of line of data and you don't want to learn each line, but you want to get the specific answer for what you're exactly looking for from a particular source. Then you can use this. So it came with motivational intelligence refers to individual and all. And it will only give me data which was present in that particular website. It won't create its own data. So that's the beauty of it. And I know a lot of things can be done with it. We can do a deep research. We can create an audio overview. We can create a slide deck, then video overview, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, infographics, and the data table. I'm gonna show you how we can do it one by one. So we can come here, customize audio overview, and we're gonna click on brief, and then I will create. So I ask it to generate me a podcast for learning this. Okay. And I can turn on the notification. It has started the work. And then I can go to slide deck. I can ask it to create the presenter slide. And I ask it to, so I have written create only the important topics. And as per, we have to show it to our fifth class teacher. So grade fifth class teacher. So it's gonna be very basic. It should be very basic. Then we see video overview and we're going to click on it and I will ask it to create a short video. So I have created a LinkedIn viral video kind of stuff as well with it. And then I will go to mind map and ask it to show me how we can visualize. So I'm doing a lot of stuff together, but we will see the result after a point of time. Let me create all the things one by one. Um, let's do a blog post. It's gonna be simple. Let's keep it few things simple. I will ask generate, then quiz. Let's ask it to make it easy. Okay, for quiz, let me clarify it. If you are a teacher or if you are a student of your or if you are a parent, so it might be useful. So I can ask generate me a 5 questions quiz. So let's say the teacher or the school gave the homework around learning about AI and machine learning in the basic stuff about it, right? And what you can do, you don't need to learn everything and ask your child about, tell me about this, tell me about that. You can simply drag and drop the PDF over here and ask it to generate a quiz for it. So basically, this whole thing could be a playground for your child or for our teacher or for our student to dive in and see how much possibilities it can generate to you to learn a specific amount of thing within less time period. So I let me give you more examples about it. Let me generate these as well. Then we come and can see infographics. So once we see here, we can get these type of infographics from this. I will use the clay one and I will keep it concise and I will ask it to generate. Then we see the data table. Just ask it to generate. I don't have any particular think about it. Okay, 3 things have already been generated. We can see mind map. I will go here and click it, and we will be able to see what mind map exactly they have given to us. So human intelligence are divided into 5 parts. Method of improving intelligence, measuring and psychometric and all stuff. But once we click on this, it can show us what are the subtopics and what subtopics have multiple subtopics. So this is how you should learn smartly in this 2026 era. And you know what? The education will be changing soon because of these type of things coming into the place and revolutionizing the whole way how we used to study. Think about it. If I want to learn about method of improving intelligence, I can go for brain training and I can read about working memory exercises, and dwell and back task. Again, I don't know about these kind of stuff, but I can ask it over here. These are the things which we see when AI is assisting us with our learning. Let's come back to the other stuff which has been now created. So for this, we can see. these are the flashcards. We click on here and we will be able to see flashcards. In psychometric, what is the okay? In psychometric, what is the specific term for the capability of acquire, prehend, and apply knowledge? Um, I don't know. And once I answer it, I can see it in the back as well. And if I don't know the answer, if my answer was wrong, I can ask it to explain. So these are the functionality which we get over here with the flashcard, and these are very thoughtful. And these will be 5 questions or 65 questions. See, isn't it amazing? Like 65 questions from a whole PDF. We can learn a lot if we want to learn, and if you want to learn about a specific topic and then want to test your memory or test how much you have acquired from the whole document, you can go with the flashcard and can see how you have been improving yourself from last 1 hour reading that particular document or reading from that particular YouTube video. And you can also do it if you are preparing for an HR interview. The same thing applied in multiple places. We can have seen the flashcards. Let's see about the quiz. So here we got the quiz and we can answer. Once our answer is wrong, it gives us a reason. And it gives us a reason for the right answer. And again, we see the explain feature over here. And then we can go next, 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 and done. And it gives us the score and topic covered, and keep learning, select follow up topic below and generate a new quiz. So you can, again, from here, you can generate more quiz on your next topics. So that is how you can use it. Then we see a feature called infographic. We click on it. We will wait for a couple of seconds and we see this. This is a clay. We have chose clay and this is what we get. And again, this is really crazy. You can learn, and if you want to post about it, about the learning, about what you have learned, so you can use this. Here's the Gemini notebook logo as well on the right, but you can see this thing happening without you using or without you putting a lot of prompt and telling AI what you exactly need. And this could be go into the LinkedIn post and could go viral. Who knows, right? Okay. Then we see the presentation or the slide deck. Then we click on it. We will wait. Solving the puzzle of the human mind. We will see a few pages. It looks okayish, not very perfect, but good to go. I haven't given any prompt for all of these, and these are something which came out of within just 4 to 5 minutes of just me clicking next, 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 right? So let's see more stuff. Then we got data table. These are all the data tables: theory name, purpose or key figure, core concept, description of intelligence, biological or brain basic, criticism or limitations, source. Hmm, fair enough. Then we see something called report, and we got a whole report on that part. But this is as per the class fifth. So we will be seeing the academic limit, why IQ doesn't tell the whole story, the culture trap, why clever mean different things abroad, and other stuff, like the basic stuff, right? Then we are able to see the voice, and
This is the brief on human intelligence. It's our basic toolkit for learning, reasoning, and problem solving. And figuring out how it works is absolutely crucial if we want to maximize our own brain power. First, how do we even measure it? Well, while traditional IQ tests try to measure a single general intelligence factor, usually called G, psychologists like Robert Sternberg argue that's way too narrow. He uses a triarchic theory, which combines analytical, creative, and practical intelligence. Think of traditional IQ like a car's top speed, but Sternberg's theory includes how well you actually navigate traffic and off-road terrain. Second, if intelligence is way more than just a fixed number, are we stuck with what we got? No way. Education.
okay, now think about it. If you might have to create this type of audio for your whole topic, how much time does it take? Or how much time will it take to you to create this whole thing? And now you can just do it in couple of seconds or couple of minutes. And this all happens in real time. So I really got to know about this crazy stuff and I just wanted to show you this. Okay, so I hope this whole video might be really useful. And if you want me to break down on the similar topics, let me know. I'm really excited for these kind of stuff. Something new with AI, I'm really up for that. And I don't know, I just love creating these kind of stuff, basically digging dive into more these similar stuff, which kind of excites me for the whole AI scenario which is coming, and we are really seeing wonders in this 21st century. So yeah, maybe this would be helpful. So the video generation is taking a bit more time, but you can try it out for yourself. And I hope this video would help you to understand about NotebookLM or Gemini Notebook. Okay, and see you in the next video. I hope this would be something which will make you click on my subscribe button and like the video, and put a comments on how you would like me to see more in front of cameras and doing more stuff. And I'm really thinking of going out and creating a lot of videos about AI and stuff. But let's see how it goes. And maybe someday we will. Okay, see you. Bye.